Alam mo ba kung gaano kataas ang Burj Khalifa na nasa likuran ko ngayon? 828 meters mga kamerada. Pero that's not my topic today. Alam ko marami sa inyo gusto maging mayaman, maging multi-millionaire, the very first millionaire to your family. Hindi mo makukuha ang millions on sugal, on going to such experiences na wala naman talagang risk plan. It takes discipline, education, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung mindset at paniniwala mo na kakayanin mo. Maraming difficulties pero kaya mo yan, kameranda. This man-made structure has been done because there was a dream. Mas mataas pa dyan ang pangarap mo. Alam kong kaya mong i-achieve yan. Naniniwala ako and follow mo si Coach Miranda for more inspiring videos like this because I will make you a millionaire. Tara, kameranda.